Are you ready? Gising kami, no?
Gising na pala kayo.
We're now here at Stansted. We're now here at Stansted Airport, going to Turkey.
This is Zari's first country. Yeah. Ano bang sabi mo? Yeah.
Okay, guys. Naka-check-in na kami.
Hi! Check na kami.
Baby Zari! Hi guys! Nakapag-check-in na kami. Ngayon nandito kami sa mga restaurants, shops, loob ng airport. Dito kami ngayon sa Burger King. We'll have some sandwich burgers and baon para sa plane. We're going to Turkey! Burger King. Instant roller coaster talaga.
Nakalak ba? Oo.
We're going to gate number 2. So, boarding na kami. Oo nga. Boarding na kami on gate 2. Hey guys, we're now going to Antalya, Turkey. We're now in the plane, ready to take off.
Kendi arıza olması halinde başınıza üzerindeki panellerde oksijen maskeleri düşecektir. Teşekkür ederiz.
2 hours between Antalya and Stansted. Right now the local Antalya time is 5:48. Temperature is 30 degrees.
Hey guys, we're now here at Antalya, Turkey. We landed safely in Turkey. So we're just going to our immigration and luggage. Ano po?
Saan lang mo si mama mo? Birthday trip to ni tita.
Welcome to Turkey!
Welcome to you.
We're here now at Antalya, Turkey. Yay! First out of the country for the year. So, kunin muna namin yung mga baggage namin. Tagal ng bagahe. Kay Zari na lang susuot namin na bagahe. Tagal eh.
Maraming pampers dahil. Kailangan ka lang mag-panty. Pampers lang.
Tube na lang, tube. Pag-tube na lang kami ni damit ni Zari.
Iwan na ikaw, no?
Okay. One more baggage. Stroller ni Zari, baby.
Hey!
Be.
Tourist mode on. Hello, Turkey. Santalan sa ata yan.
Parang mini-bus natin yung ano.
Ang laki nga to, tita, coaster eh. Ow! So high.
Excuse me.
Nalula.
Medyo sketchy ang ano ha?
Oo nga eh.
For the massage.
Oo, pati bata daw kasama eh. Ano sa inyo?
So let's go to our room. Ang taas. Oh, very nice. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Yeah, there's another vlog today because we're here at Antalya, Side Antalya specifically. So we're here at Port River Hotel and Spa here at Side Antalya. Dumating kami dito ng almost 5 p.m. and mabilis lang din sa immigration. We just need to present yung e-visa, Turkey e-visa, and of course the passport. We also have a bus shuttle na arrange doon sa package from On the Beach booking namin. All in all, kasama na yung hotel, flights, and transfer dito sa hotel. We will be having a room tour, so check it out. Room tour. Bathroom. Ayan, very nice ang mirror. And bed. Pumpkin bread. Ang tigas naman. Wala tong ano, yeast.
Kaya kami kumabila, kami. We're going the Busan. So, start tayo ng morning breakfast dito sa all-inclusive buffet ng hotel. So, mas malaki ngayon kasi buong place pala kasi kahapon parang countertop lang yung open since gabi na. Pero ngayon, everything is open.
Kung matapang yan, kuya, kukuha din ako.
Hindi matapang.
Hindi matapang.
Taa eh. Tsaa nga.
Ito naman.
Tsaa to.
Baka black tea. Punta tayo ng beach ngayon. Magkilay muna ako. Pwede. Very aesthetic yung stuff, diba? Tinanggal ko na to pero kinabit ko lang ulit. Naglagay lang ko ng lotion para ma-slide uli siya sa kamay ko. So we're going to the beach and we're going to change sa beach outfit natin. Oh, with the glasses on. Going to the beach. Beach.
Oo, pa siguro.
Chicken away. Okay guys, nakakuha na kami ng towels. On the way to the beach. We're gonna cross the road. Kulambo na siya. Alam tayong goggles.
Ganda ng lakad niya. Kala ko sa tayo maglalakad sa kalsada kapakain.
Picture na lang ako. Pagka yung mga mom sila.
Let's go to the beach.
Are you ready to see nog chandelier?
1 year ka nagpaputi and then you go to the beach. Very blue. Nice.
Pag nag-winter po,
Oh.
Sabihin. Parang 5 euro guys.
Ay, hanggang dito nagbebenta.
tawag mo Zari.
Zari, baby!
Zari!
Zari!
Zaraya!
Ano yan, guys?
Cola.
Zari, are you ready?
Oh, hi! Talaga. Camera shy po siya.
Are you shy, baby? Ah! Ay, ayan na. Let's go! Stopping tip. One. Okay lang yan, kuya. Send mo lang. Tapos ang laba. So, inert. Takot sa araw, isang enjoy the sun.
Mahinang nila lang. We're going to the pool. Nangitin na ako sa beach. On the way, para magpumassage. Sorry, it's your turn.
Oh, I just had my holiday.
So, nag-noodle na nga kami. May pa-teaser lang massage. Tapos, we're gonna pay for the next days. 3 sessions. So, napamassage na kami ng initial. And nabudol kami for 3 days.
Waldas na. Waldas
Yan ang highlight ng trip, magpumassage. Tumutunog at nadidilhay na ako. Very nice.
Parang lechon na.
Para tayo collapse lang.
Wait, ano?
Ano tayo lang?
Sorry!
Kasi matay na.
Welcome to the land of legends here at Antalya. So we're taking photos first to the land of legends castle.
Ganda oh.
Sorry! Saraya!
Happy birthday to you.
birthday to you! Mag-heart sign ka ba?
Heart na lang, tita.
Oh, sorry. Ba't lang tayo dito?
Kasi siguro kaya ganito yung lamesa nila, yung mga turista ang tatangkan.
Mali lang upuan nila.
Ganon.
Abot mo ba, ma?
Pang cozy lang. Hindi basa?
Lalo na
Day 2. Going to Green Canyon. Parang may sentence pa lang. Sentence ng Turkey.
hawak na lang ano.
Wow, sasakay ng San Francisari. Nasa ka ikaw, San Trans? Ito na yung sa college trip niya. Pwede na kaya? Lokal ng Turkey. San Trans pala. Kami na airport. The bus is very safari. So ito yung bus namin. Saan po kaya? Saan po lang eh? So real. Aqueduct. Sa Lion, I mean park na kami. Super init. Reindeer. Ha? Puro chicken. Di pala to zoo. Farm. We're here at the Green Canyon Lake. Green Lake. Kasi daw madaming minerals dito kaya green. Let's go to the waterfall for 20 minutes. We're here at the waterfall park. Oh, it's from love! When I've got waterfall.
Dinner time! First time mag-dinner sa...
Ciao, enjoy ako maglakad. Kami magpapamassage. Guys, so dinner kami ngayon dito sa hotel. First time dinner namin to kasi hindi na-skip namin for one night, I guess, two nights. So after dinner, magpamassage naman kami. So 3 sessions yun, so for 3 days. So, on the way to the spa, kami na ang sasalang. Subo pa naman. Good morning! So, day 3. Natin namin to. Old Town visit ng Antalya. So, let's go! And we'll have breakfast downstairs and we'll go at 8. So, join us today. We're going daw sa water park after work.
Look, the waterfall what we visit today, this costs nothing. It's gratis.
So, dito daw yung meeting place namin hanggang 3 p.m. Dapat nandito na. So, doon, straight ahead, yung old seats. So, puro shops dito. Daming shop dito, parang Divisoria. So, mag-roam kami ng hanggang 3 p.m. Kebab.
Hanap kami ng kebab, guys. Hanap kami ng kebab.
Yun talaga pinantunin nila dito. Ang dami yan.
And then, yung
Kebabs.
Turkish ice cream.
Gusto mo na try? Ayan.
Wala akong patience.
Kabayan!
Oh!
Kamusta ka, mabuti?
We'll come back.
Mamaya.
Yeah, we'll come back.
Gulat ako ito.
Tayo dito, tapos punta tayo dito.
So, maglalakad naman daw kami. 5 pesos, susunod lang ako sa kanila. Oh, that's nice. No? Ang ganda. Pwede puntahan yung dagat? So, yan daw yung old town. Mamaya pupunta kami dyan. Pero, muna kami. So, may dagat dito. So, nice. View. Nice. Dagat. Mag-elevator pababa. Ito na yung harbor. So many boats. Tapos na ang photo op. Thanks to Arajin, the photographer. Parang gusto mo pang umisa.
Gusto mo ba, Diko?
Wandering the streets of
Ano to? Kalichi. Tawag? Kalichi. Kalesi. So, for init po. Dito sa Antalya.
Ay, pwede bang kumuha na lunch?
Ayaw pa, girl. Tourist mode on. Tinapay.
Ilang yun na.
Sinan. Pagod na.
Very tired na yung mama.
Very tired na. Balikan namin si Kabayan.
What do you want? Chocolate or pistachio po? What?
We have no patience, oh my God.
Alikana. Alex, you're talking too many. God bless your husband. Hey! Hard cash, dollar, gold, pound, silver, Bitcoin. Kita na. Ate.
Ate.
What do you want, Manila? Special. Ay! Oh my God! Don't do that!
Nagkape.
Look at my hat.
Cute.
Hey! Bala, bala, bala. You want ketchup mayonnaise? Wasabi. It is ice cream burger, Hate.
Pistachio as well.
Hey! Oh my God! Don't do that! Oh! Enough for you! Hey! Pini! Thank you!
So, dito naman kami. May waterfall dito para may rainbow. Waterfall, then may nagaya. Kayo, okay pa kayo? Bila kayo ah.
Ano, pinipigyan? Kanina pa kami nakapila.
May critic dito.
Tulak ha?
You know? Yan. Cash daw, cash. Chicken? It's the last day here at the Fort River. Punta kami ngayon sa beach in front. So, across the hotel lang yung beach front. So, this is the feet. I'm not wearing my glasses kasi wala lang naman since nasa dagat din kami. And napaka-araw, kailangan ng sunglass. Hawit lang ngayon. Punta tayo sa beach. I'm gonna let you see. The summer I spent at Turkey. The beach front.
maabot. Then sa beach. I think last beach na namin to kasi. Tomorrow flight na namin back to United Kingdom. It's a good one. First lunch namin dito sa hotel kasi lagi kami nasa out. Nasa tour kami pagka midday. So hindi kami nakakapag-lunch sa hotel. So this is the first time.
Ano to? Heart. Yan ba yung ano? Liver na gabi?
Hindi. Ay, kalosa! So, pili tayo ng mga kaso dito. Ang put ng remembrance ng kanyang pouch. So, ito.
Guys, so may manliligaw po dito si Moms. Ikaw na ba si Mr. Right? Ikaw na ba Hindi pala opa, habibi pala. Hindi na pala yung forever mo, Mom.
Drama and dream.
What does it feel like to be given flowers? Flower lang pala.
Tinawag tayo. Andrea. Oh. Hindi naman siguro na ate.
Ay! Set up ka nila, Mom.
Oo, mamaya may ano tayo. May pa table for two. So we're going back home now. We're going back to UK, so it's a good trip to Turkey. So we're going back now to reality. Order lang kami sa KFC ng food breakfast. Tapos baon sa flight.